Om. 41st Sutra of the Sadhanapada deals with the Manasika Shaucham, Antashaucha, the internal Shaucha of the practice of yoga. The sutra is Sattva Shuddhi Saumanasyekarendriyatma Darshana Yogyattvanicha. Sattva Shuddhi Saumanasyekarendriyatma Darshana Yogyattvanicha. Sattva Shuddhi Saumanasya Ekagra Indriyajayat Atma Darshana Yogyattvanicha. This is the various words. Sattva, sattva, to be, the beingness, the basic personality, the root personality of us or everything. That is sattva. Shuddhi is the cleanliness, purity. Sattva, Shuddhi. Sumanasa, peaceful mind, calm mind, serene mind. Ekagra, one-pointedness. Indriya Jaya, mastery of the Indriyas, control of the Indriyas. Atma Darshana. Atma is a self, oneself, one's own self. Darshana, vision. Yogyatva is eligibility, fitness, to be fit. Yogyattvani, that is plural. Ani is plural. Cha is end. So, Sattva Shuddhi Saumanasyekarendriyatma Darshana Yogyattvanicha. That is the sutra. So, the mental purification is, what is mental purification? The qualities is being given. The mental purification, the qualities are, or the qualities of mental purification are Sattva Shuddhi, Saumanasya, Ekagra, Indriyajaya. Then Atma Darshana Yogyata. 5 qualities have been given. 5 results are given. 5 fruits of practice of the Antashauchaha. Or in other way, these are the 5 components, constituents of Antashuddhi, Antashauchaha. These are the 5 components, angas, qualities of internal purification. So, what is internal purification? Pure inside. What do we mean by that? To be pure inside. What does it mean? To be pure inside means these are the qualities. And these qualities are Saumanasya, cheerfulness, smiling face, peaceful mind. Mind is calm, unagitated, serene, joyful. Sumanasya. Then Ekagrata, one-pointed mind, undisturbed mind. Thoughts are focused thoughts. Thinking is one-pointed, single direction thought. That is the Ekagrata. We are trying to understand clean mind, pure mind. what are the qualities of the internal cleanliness. This is also that, and these are also the methods for cleaning, both ways. Then Indriya Jayatva, mastery over the Indriyas. Jitendriyaha it is called. And control over the Indriyas. We know that the Indriyas will be running like horses, and they are controlled, the speed is controlled, the direction is directed by the mind and the buddhi. Indriya Jayatvat, the purpose of the Indriyas, the powers of the Indriyas, the direction of the Indriyas, they have been calibrated, navigated. They are under the spell of the buddhi. It is like a rider riding on the horse. He is handling the vehicle. He is riding on the horse. The horse goes where the rider takes it. It is not the rider goes where the horse takes it. The horse goes where the rider directs it. Indriya Jayatvat, Jitendriyatvam, mastery about the senses. And then Atma Darshanam, one understands what he is, about ourself, what I am really, what I am made of, what is my source, the contents of me, the real of me, who am I, ka aham, koham. This thinking, this contemplation, this understanding, this knowledge, Atma Darshanam, Yogyata, Atma Darshana Yogyata. You get fit, become become eligible for that. Yogyatva ani, ani is plural, all this. Cha, and all that, and Atma Darshana Yogyatvani. So the body purification, and this the mind purification. So the Saucha, the physical purification, results into Sattva Shuddhi. And Sattva Shuddhi itself has a wonderful meaning, because the three gunas, Sattva, Rajas and Tamas, the three gunas with which we are made of, we have seen in earlier sutras, the Panchabhutam and the Indriyas, they are the constituents of the body and the world. So Sattva Shuddhi is the purification of the basic personality of ourself, and that is the Guna Shuddhi, the Trigunas, Sattva, Rajas and the Tamas. So the purification or a reduction in the activities, reduction in the expressions, reduction in the qualities and the intensity of the Rajas and the Tamas, that allows Sattva to dominate. That gets purification. The general dullness, the turbulence of the Rajas and the dullness of the Tamas, and that will be reduced, and the Sattva rises, becomes dominant, predominantly dominant, and that is how Sattva Shuddhi comes. And from Sattva Shuddhi, all these Saumanasatva, cheerfulness, and then Ekagrata, Indriya Jaya, Atma Darshana Yogyata, They all come. And this is how the sutra is to be understood. Traditionally, the interpretations are by the purification of the body alone. This manasika shuddhi comes, manas shaucha comes. So sharirika shaucha or bahya shaucha is a preliminary or the first step, or without which Anta Shaucha, Manasika Shaucha is not possible. This is a traditionally people interpret it, but it is not necessary to follow or to understand in that dimension, because Sattva Shuddhi, qualities of Sattva Shuddhi is given, and from the Shauchaha, all these results will be expressed, manifested, projected, rise in the sadhak, in the practitioner. And this is how beautifully the sutra concludes about the shaucha. And we should remember that Shaucha has very important dimension in our day-to-day regular life, keeping things clean and neat, maintaining its purity. Yoga practitioner cannot afford to look dirty. A yoga practitioner cannot afford to keep his surroundings, the place where he stays, his circumstances, his surroundings, place of stay, his things, what are all the things he uses, should be maintained in a clean, neat, and that is a very important practical dimension and suggestion from the Yoga Sutra. Let us go for the further understanding of the sutras. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.